one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today topic now about one lady we just cry out, say he need justice for a husband. He say he need justice because what they do a husband. He said the thing shockalize her, you know. The meme a husband for France is happening right now in France, for Marseille, for France. I beg my people, this lady need help. She will need justice for a husband because the way they take meme a husband, they say the thing shockalize her. Like the thing they make her they go crazy. He don't know what to do again. He say a husband, the husband they stay Italy before. So he can't come France, come meet her after she don't born pikin for her. So he can't come France, come meet her. So it's ever since now, everything they go away for them. So one day, your husband go out, you know, come back. So before she come, they find the husband, and they say the husband don't me, they don't shoot him. Okay, now they meme the husband. As they can't find the body, they cut all the many things come up for your husband body. He said they remove so many things. Like now, so they do it for France. So now she come to ask, who do all those things to your husband? They don't want to tell him. They don't want to go straight. They don't want to tell her the truth. So the woman now just they sad. She dey cry. I beg anybody will go feel help her, make it help her. She need justice for your husband. She need help. When I know say these white people, they always want cheat us. Where they know say you don't know the law. But if she see who come out, who fall out, fight for her, better lawyer, so that she need to really find that what it may your husband. You understand? She need to really find that because the way these white people they behave to us, it's no good. Because this woman now, if you say make it just leave everything like that, my people, no now, they go just wipe everything go just go like that. So this woman now need help. She need justice. She need to go fight for her so that make the thing not just go like that. Because I really feel for her, really. I really feel for her. You know, I beg my family people. So anybody will go feel help this woman, I beg. Make them contact me. So I will find one of my friends where they stay there. So we'll go feel contact her so that they go know how to whether I'm with lawyer anything. I'm gonna just I beg, make Nigerians make they really get up for this woman, make they fight for her so that make she know say good Nigerians they see day. I go put the video now more and listen. She go explain by herself what really happened. Thank you, my darling people.
They come all the pictures come outside, though. All the paper, mark come outside.
You don't they count too?
You don't they count. Mark come outside.
Sit down for somewhere here. Go this side.
Good afternoon, my brother, my sister. So this video, when I do on purpose of something. Because my dad, I dey Italy. Now they tell me say my conference. As I conference, I come on Saturday, then or Sunday, now my guy died. So he called me. I know if he say waiting my husband talk, say man, I take pass him. Now I say okay. As he call me, now take come. I come meet where me for meet on her boss, the place, the house where he be. I come tell her, say, they don't give you house. He say, no, they never give her house. For 5 hours long. So, for them, I come tell me, say, maybe not worry. Then we will go claim Marito. If we don't claim Marito, they will give us house. I come say, okay, no problem. Make una see and my brother, see all the old paper where German people pack, give my husband. Then all the paper, then all this one. So they shoot her. When they shoot her, they say na Arabu shooter, so say na France, whether na France person, na a shooter. You understand me? So me, I don't know how the thing happen. The thing surprised me. Make una see, they shoot her, he not chop poison. e no chop poison. They from chest here tear and come reach down. They remove the brain, they remove everything. Ever since then, nobody. I even said chairman for fiber for this thing, what they call Marcel, chairman for Marcel. So if you still need the video, I'll still send the video. I'll still send them for everybody. The chairman come dey tell me for there say whether me no know say so many people dey for inside mortuary, many people dey wey be say they die, say they no dey see bury. Abeg my brother, my sister, abeg. I use God take beg all of you. Since when my guy take die, I don't see anybody. No brother, no sister. And he don't die now. They see him belly. They remove everything. They empty that boy before he go grave. Make una see him. Make una look the picture. Abeg. I use God take beg una. Now the boy na be this one. Abeg, Nigeria, abeg. I use God take beg una. Make una not let this boy go like that. Make una not let am go like that. Abeg. Make una look where they for 30 years and not be poison, not be chop. Now shoot they shoot am. He not do anything. He come today. I come today on Sunday night he die. He die around something 10 o'clock. And as he die, no ambulance, no brother, no sister. Abeg, I use God take beg una. For France here, they don't do anything. They just come carry me put for here. Now ask where they even give me nothing there inside. Abeg. I use God take beg all of una. Abeg. All my make una look me. Abeg. Make una look me. If I can still get belly for am. You understand me so? The baby, I still use am. I lose papa. I lose father. Abeg. I use God take. I lose pikin. I lose father. Abeg. I use God take beg all of una. If una fit help me, God go still help una. Abeg, na only wetin I get to tell una na be this one. Abeg, make una help me. Or instead of una know say everything go dey okay. Abeg, I no save o. I no save. That's I mean wetin make me wan purposely know. I wan know why the tear e belle reach down. I no dey there. I no sign anything o. Make una see me o. I no sign anything. 7 good years na me with am take dey so. I know say yes, I never born for am. But I pray make God give me pikin. If I get belle, it go spoil. If I get belle, it go spoil. Abeg, I use God take beg una. Make una help me. Make una help me, abeg. Abeg, I just want make una help me ask France people where the person wey shoot am dey. Until I no see lawyer, I no see anybody. I use God take beg all of una. Abeg. Now only wetin I get to tell una na be that one. Abeg, make una help me. Abeg, make una help me.